In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on Windows 11. This process is essential for anyone looking to start coding in Python, whether you're a complete beginner or just setting up a new development environment. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to download Python. To do this, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Python website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Downloads section, which is easily located within the menu options. Hover over it, and you'll see Windows. Click on it to be taken to the Python Downloads page specifically for Windows. On this page, you'll notice several options, but our focus will be on downloading the latest stable release of Python 3. Typically, the website suggests the most recent version at the top of the page. It's equipped with the newest features and security updates, making it the best choice for most users. Click the download link to get the installer and save it to a memorable location on your PC, like the Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, it's time to run the installer. Navigate to where you saved the file and double-click it to start the process. This will bring up the Python setup window. The first screen you'll see contains a few options. Here's an important note. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step is crucial because it allows you to run Python from the command prompt and makes development more seamless. After checking this, you'll want to click on Install Now. Now the installation process will begin. During this time, the installer will do a few things. First, it will install Python on your system. Next, it will install pip, which is Python's very own package manager. Pip is incredibly handy for installing and managing additional Python packages you might need for developing. Finally, if you selected the Add Python to Path option on the first screen, it will configure your path variables, a background task that you'll appreciate later when starting projects. This process will only take a few moments, so be patient as everything sets up. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a window indicating this. Simply click Close to exit the setup, and there you have it. You've successfully installed Python on your Windows 11 machine. You can now start writing and executing Python scripts. As a next step, I recommend opening a command prompt and typing Python to ensure everything is working smoothly. This quick check can help you confirm that the path setting is working correctly. Remember, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language. Enjoy exploring the wealth of possibilities it offers, from web development to data analysis and beyond. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!